Well, when it rains, it pours, ladies and gentlemen. Today is October the 2nd. No, I'm sorry. It's October the 3rd. It's Tuesday, October the 3rd, 2023, and we are underneath Steven's trailer. So, Steven, when it rains, it pours. Talk to me about what's going on.
Well, the ABS, I just got the ABS done.
Here, do you want to hold the camera? You want to hold that?
I just got the ABS all hooked up and cycling, and it's doing everything it's supposed to do. Although right now, if you listen to it, it's bleeding off air, and it's coming out the bleeder right there at the bottom. So I'm not sure why it's doing that. Maybe it'll stop doing it after it cycles a few times. But I'm getting ready to tied up all my wires, getting ready to crawl out, and noticed that, wait a minute, there's a broken weld right there. So I missed a broken weld during all my welding while I was out here the other day. I welded that shock on. So it's got a crack right here, right next to that bag. Right there. And it goes up about 1/4 of an inch, maybe an inch right there on the other side. And then it goes up. It goes all the way up on that right there. So it's pretty rusty on this bottom piece. You can see it's I don't know what you're looking at, but anyway, see that? Bottom piece got a lot of rust in it. I guess it's just weak. So anyway, yeah, I just noticed this. You see the rust leaking down when water gets in it too on the bag. So that's just like a pointing for the DOT man. Point, 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 point. Sees that rust leaking down, and it leads his eyeball right to that crack. Shut down. So I'll wrap this bag up in something and get that ground off and weld it up.
Show them how you would zip tied all the wires. Show them.
I showed them.
Well, show
I
them
zip tied that.
And show them the ABS.
Zip tied all my. I showed them the ABS, Ricky. So it's all up there and it's working. The light's cycling. So anyway, so I was just getting ready to torque down my. Lug nuts and put the lug nut covers on and fill the hubs up full of oil and get out of here when I just looked up and saw that crack. But it's not a bad thing. It's always a good thing that I'm finding the stuff while I'm here, right? So I'll get that. I don't know, so much damage over there. The shock tower was broke off, and and then you have that crack right there. I don't know what the heck happened. Probably just the potholes in the road, I guess. But anyway, we'll get it taken care of, ladies and gentlemen. God bless. Have lots of fun. Don't have broken welds like me. God bless. And later.